Unicode, and in this video I'm going to explain you what exactly programming languages are and what are the uses of programming language and why should you prefer the Python if you are a beginner, and how to download Python. So in this video I'm not going to explain in a normal way, I'm going to explain with examples so that you can understand it. So please subscribe my channel if you like it. So two friends, Josh and Adam. Josh can only speak English and Adam can only speak Hindi. So they want to make conversation with each other. They can't make conversation with each other because they have a different languages. They know different languages, right? So they need a translator in between them, right? Who can speak both languages so that he can translate English into Hindi, Hindi into English. So I want to give in the same way, humans can't directly communicate with the computers. The computers only know a binary language, which means one with the combinations of ones and zeros. One means on the circuit or zero means off the circuit. In the future, I'm gonna make a video on these also, binary. So we can't understand binary. So they have developed a programming language which acts as a translator in between humans and computers. So here the IDE, which means integrated development environment, which we place our programming language, or which we code our programming language in a certain IDE like PyCharm or Jupyter, or even in your notepad also. So I'll give you another example. Let's assume you want to pray to the god. You can't directly communicate the god, right? You go to the temple and you ask the priest to pray in the name of you, right? So if I would like to compare the things with this case, I would choose programming language as a priest. So he is translating the things that we want to do, and temple to IDE. So this is a place where we can program or where we can contact to God, or and computer as a god. I think you understood it. Let me show you a chart here. So this explain what a programming language will do. So if we have a certain problem like a basic problem 5 into 2, what we use programming language to make instructions into binary, like print 5 into 2 in the Python language. It converts the statement which we give in the programming language into the binary. This one, and this will be solved by the computer. And let me tell you about the Python also. The Python was created by the Guido van Rossum in 1989. I'm gonna give the basic uses of the Python so you can understand it.
Presence of third-party modules, extensive support libraries, open source and community development, learning ease and support available, user-friendly data structures, productivity and speed.
And beginner friendly, it's the main part. You can create anything you want that can be done by a programming language. It is easily can coded even in your notepad or Android. Very easy syntax, and it helps and easy to understand. So let me show you how to download. No, I'm going to show you how to download Python. Just get into your browser and type Python, and the first link, which is called welcome to python.org, and you will get this kind of interface. And when you click on the menu bar, you're gonna get menu options. If you have a Mac, just click on that. If you have a Windows, just click on these buttons that you get here. When you click it, it downloads the Python directly.